Good morning from a very shiny, lovely Montreux. I'm going to close the door for the sound, but I do want you guys to just hear how beautiful. We had a rainstorm last night and just hear the glacier water coming down. It is so lovely. But that's not the reason why we're having this video. This morning is all about toilet rolls. Yes, you heard me right, toilet rolls. So what I do, and I know this is a little bit obsessive for my husband, because it doesn't matter if he's got how many degrees, a man doesn't understand that the toilet roll needs to come over the toilet roll and not under. I will explain it to you just now. Or they just don't care. So in any case, that's just me bitching and moaning. So let me explain to you what I say when I say over and under. This is the correct way that it should run over. Does everybody agree? For some reason, men think it must be like that. It keeps on running off without even knowing, especially if you have a cat or dog that's pulling it. It's annoying. Don't do that. But I found a solution to actually overcome my frustration. Also, when you buy a toilet roll, usually they stick it down and it doesn't look very nice. I don't think that flip looks really nice. What I do is I loosen it up like that. I'm not losing anything off the toilet roll. I flip it to the inside. It looks also more luxurious and fatter like that. I take one of my trustworthy stickers, and I'm going to explain to you guys how and where I get this. This is just my initials, and I stick it down. This is my surname, so immediately if it's hanging on the right position, they're not going to hang Faber upside down like that. So they will hang Faber like that. It starts running from the right way of turning. What I also do is, this is my trustworthy scent. I use this for basically everything. I don't know if you've seen My Big Fat Greek Wedding, where they use window cleaning or window cleaning for everything. If you have a pimple, if you need to clean anything, if you're not feeling well, then you use the Windex. Now, Charlie is one of mine. I spray, because this is paper, it holds the smell so much easier. So I do 2 sprays, and this is also a very nice scent to keep in your toilet. Your toilet smells like scent the whole time, because it pulls into the toilet roll and it doesn't actually affect the toilet roll. So that's what I do. And then from IKEA, you buy these little booklets. They change their theme now and again. Now I have 2 stamps. I have one that says Welcome to the Fabers, something like that, and then that's a M and a C with Faber. I have 2 of those, so if I have a big one I can use that stamp, if I have a small one I can use that. This one I just made. You buy them from Aldi or any stationery shop, and you actually make your own stamp. It comes out a little bit, it looks like you have been typing it. This one I had made, and it also works really well, but all of these are really not that expensive. And voila, you have your own personal toilet rolls ready for your guest or for yourself if you want to treat yourself. These ones still need stickers. This is just a short tutorial, but a nice thing to do if you have the time.